Do you really get misunderstood?
Wake up feeling like you won't play right. I used to know, but now it just don't.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video I am going to be installing this unit that I have on right now with my Got To Be Glue Instant Hold hairspray, and I'm also going to be doing a heat test in about like a minute or so. So with that being said, let's get into the details on this unit. So this is a Deepwave unit from Wigmy, I believe that's how they pronounce their company's name. Their information and details to this unit is going to be down in the description box. This is the first time working with this company, so like I mentioned, this is Deepwave. It's 26 inches. It is 200% density, and it's an average cap size. I normally wear average cap size. Okay, so first thing, obviously, I want to say that the curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I freaking love it. I wouldn't change a thing about the curl pattern. I wish it was a little bit more fluffier and soft. It's on the more textured side, which is a vibe too. Like, I like it, but I just would, it's my preference. I would prefer it to be more fluffy and airy. When I tell you guys that this frontal is super thick, I had to pluck so much. If you guys hear my dog, I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. He's in another room going crazy. But I definitely had to pluck so much off of this frontal, and it is still very freaking thick. And I hung this wig upside down to create more volume. It doesn't need more volume, so next time that I co-wash this unit, I'm not going to do that because it created so much volume up here, which is perfect for the flip over, but I just feel like it don't need it. The hair does feel a tad bit dry, so next time that I co-wash it, I am going to use like a curl enhancing smoothie just to put some product on the hair to help with that. But I do want to do a heat test because I know some of y'all like to flat iron your like wavy texture. So I'm going to see if this flat irons. I wouldn't suggest putting a lot of heat on this hair just because I feel like it's already more of a higher maintenance type of wig, just because number one, the texture, you really got to, like, you know, it's wavy curly hair, you got to put more effort into maintaining it, and also it's a tad bit dry, so that goes into like using different products. So putting heat on the hair is just like, it's not really worth it to me, but I'm going to test it out for you guys to see how the hair does. So I'm going to be using my, what is it, Chief flat iron, and I got it on 400 degrees. I also want to mention that the construction of this cap is really, really good. Recently I've been getting like wigs that have not been making it ear to ear, but this one definitely does make it ear to ear. But in the video clip, which you guys have probably already seen, I had used the adjustable straps and I should not have. Well, not as tight as I did, but it does reach ear to ear. All right, you guys, so I'm not going to pass through it anymore. I do feel like it did get straight. It doesn't, it feels soft, flat ironed. I'm not sure how it's going to stay straight throughout the day because this is like a curly wavy unit, so usually those don't stay straight for very long. They end up reverting back depending on the temperature and everything like that where you're at. So keep that in mind. But now I want to go ahead and spritz this with water, and we're just going to watch the curls come back. Okay, as you can see, the waves are definitely coming back. So like I mentioned, I wouldn't necessarily suggest doing it, but if you gotta do it, it's gonna come back at least once. So yeah, take that for what it is. All right, y'all, so this was a very quick video. Leave a comment down below if you have ordered hair from this company, because like I mentioned, this is the first time. So if you guys have, come let us know how your experience was, and don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and I will check y'all lovelies out in the next one. Bye.